Well, today my problem is thus. You can clearly see the sun is out, but my headlights are still on. So today I'm going to show you how to change out the ambient light sensor. And we'll do that after the intro. Alright, so changing out this light sensor should be pretty easy. I went ahead and got a genuine GM sensor. Got it from eBay. Just going to slice her open. This one's going to be relatively simple. Maybe have some sharp scissors before you go at that packaging. And a sharp razor blade for sure. And here it is. So what we're going to do, you're going to need a pry tool and a 7mm. So let's get to the car and let's get to it. Alright, so there's where the sensor resides in the dash. We're going to go over here and actually I grabbed a couple extra tools, a little screwdriver and a magnet, because we're going to pop off this A-pillar. And this is where your 7mm resides, right here. And I got the magnet just in case this thing falls out, which is a very good possibility that it will. Like right now, it's gonna fall. And look, I was able to catch it without the magnet. So set that over in the cup holder. And you can just start pulling. I'm going to leave my tweeter connected. You can probably go ahead and disconnect it if you want, but we'll just let it hang. So now this affords you the room to get under here and pry up on the panel. I might want to get one. You might want to get one with a curve. I don't think this straight one's going to cut it. Yeah, I just don't think it. Oh, maybe it works. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna struggle with this for a sec here. There we go. All right, she's coming up. Okay. Yeah, I still think I should go get a curved one. Why don't I go do that and I'll check back. All right, the camera is positioned precariously in the back seat. I do have a couple of tools here that I'm gonna try. This ain't any better, honestly. I'm not getting much clearance here, Clarence. Okay, there's a clip there. Alright, now we're going. Now we're cooking with fire. Now we're cooking with fire. There's something in the way there. That's what my problem was there. Oh, I'm gonna need to come over to the passenger side. You can see where it's plugged in. There it goes. Yeah, I gotta come over on the passenger side. As I'm destroying the foam weather strip under here, Maybe try to angle this thing underneath it. There should be one more. Boom, we're out. Now we can see, we don't even need to remove it. Okay, so you can see it right there. Let's get a close up. Here's that panel pried up. Took a look at all the clips. I just munched all this foam insulation. Pick off the little pieces of that. And there is that sensor right there. And I believe it's a twist and pull and she comes out. Yeah, twist and pull and she comes out. So there she is. Now, you lift the little tab and pop it out. You probably need 2 hands to do so. So let's go back on tripod. Here's where your little screwdriver comes in handy. Lift the little tab and pop that connector right out. There it is. There's your old one. Where's that new one? There it is right there. Yeah, you can see the shroud is a little different on my new one. But these are exact same connectors. Oh, this one's upside down. I don't know, whatever. I think it'll work. We're gonna go for it. Yep, she snaps right back in. Now, oh wow, that foam just came off the front. So I might have to take this stupid thing out. Twist her back in, and oh, the tape's still sticky. Just stick your foam back on there. Yeah, okay. Or maybe I'll just pull it off and I'll reattach the tape. Reattach the foam. I think I'm gonna do that. Well, with my conundrum with this foam falling down, I'm gonna remove the other B pillar because you can't get the whole thing out without it. You can, oh, let's turn the camera over here because there is this hook slides under there and you can't really get it out. So I'm gonna do that, take this whole thing off and reattach that foam because I didn't expect that to happen. And you want that in place. Here's what it looks like with that thing removed. Here's your RKE module. So here it is right here. I'll just lay it down on the hood. This insulation, it folds over the front, so you can kind of tell where it goes. It's supposed to kind of clip like such. So that's how I want to reattach it. Yeah, I'm just gonna go get some more tape. I'm just gonna put a couple of squares. Boom, you know, I'm not gonna retape the whole thing. So I wasn't gonna just go tear all this old tape off. It's still sticking to the plastic. I just stuck my little squares of double stick on there. Should be good enough to just hold this in place while I get it, snap it back in. Okay. Now that that setback is been corrected, let's get this back in the car. Alright, both sides are free and clear. Let's get the sensor hooked back in. Get it wedged up there, line up the clips. I gotta line this up perfectly here. So I went and looked outside to see where these clips line up at. I can kind of feel it up Okay, yep, they just snapped it. Push towards the windshield and push down. And that's all of them. Alright, now I get the sail panels back in. Oh, I just left this thing hanging here. We can just put the tab down in there and this should just snap back in place. Yep. Here, click, click, click. Alright, now this is where you need that magnet. Get you a little screw, because you're going to want to put this, actually, you know, you could put the magnet on the side of your nut driver. I'm not getting any of this on camera. Okay, this is what I was talking about. Do that and then drive that in there. Yeah, make sure it's in there good. And then you can slide this up and snap. And then we'll repeat the same thing on that side, and if your weather strip didn't fall off, you shouldn't have had to take that one off. So I'll get that back together and then we'll test this out. Alright, time to see. Oh, I can see the DRLs are on, but nope. I'm hitting the high beams and I don't get high beams. Let's go look. Yep. No parking lights, you just got the DRLs. And there she is right there. Alright, so there you go. That's how you change out your ambient light sensor on your 9th Gen Impala. It's the same from 2006 to 2016. And if you enjoyed this at all, support the channel by giving me a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Deuces.